you have to treat trading as a business.
This is business.
Hey!
I invested the money.
Stop talking! I will kill you!
Sorry, sir.
Hey! Dada, why?
Business.
If you haven't opened a business account, I strongly recommend you register a business, open a bank account, feel that professional environment of you starting a business and begin to treat trading as a business. If you own a business, you have specific times that you do certain things. If you have a business, there's a time you open your shop, there's a time you close your shop. As a trader, there should be specific times where you literally open the chart and do analysis. You need to have specific times. If it's 2 times a day, have specific times you do that. If it's 3 times a day, have specific times you actually open the chart. If it's once a day, which I've personally been doing in the past few weeks, I've only been just checking my charts once a day, and that's in the morning at 6 a.m. I'm trying to add one more time to it, and that's in the night before I sleep around 10:30 p.m. So in the night at 10:30 p.m. and in the morning at 6 a.m. Those are the 2 times I would do my analysis. So you must have specific times that you want to do your analysis. That makes you more professional. That helps you to think clearly, because if you're always checking the charts, you're going to be seeing random things, and that thing can affect you psychologically, because the market is just so random and doesn't move in a straight line. So you want to protect your mental health so that it's at ease and it's at peace all the time, and you want to just have specific times where you analyze.